students. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. Hopefully you had some delicious food and a little time for rest and some time with family, and you're ready to kick off these last couple weeks of the semester. So for this week, which is our week 7, we'll cover chapter 7. So make sure you get that read in your book, and then you'll have 3 assignments. The first is the stress and lifestyle assignment. You'll have another one that is a discussion question over lifestyle. Don't forget to respond to at least 2 students in the class for full credit on this discussion question. And then you also have some information about the deadline for the end of the semester here. So those are the 3 items that need to be completed by December 5th. Looking ahead to next week you will have your final exam. And so I want to point out that your final exam is due on Wednesday, so you won't have the entire week. So after you turn all of this in by Sunday, you'll turn around and make sure that you have your final exam completed by Wednesday, December 8th. So I know this has gone so fast, Flex classes go so very quickly, but I sure have enjoyed getting to know more about you, reading through the assignments that you've completed. I hope that this course has provided you with a reflection over some of the areas that students often find challenging or struggle with in their road to success in college. So hopefully you've been able to make some adjustments where needed, and you're ready to tackle future semesters. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Take care, everybody, and have a wonderful, wonderful winter break.